times when I sensed I was not alone. She said, do you know how to spell audaciously? I could tell that I was in love, and so I forced a smile contrary to my style, and she looked into my eyes. She said, do you want to go to heaven, or would you rather stay alive? Here comes my train. I'm on my way. Will you not see? I don't need your sympathy. I won't read your poetry. Oh, sweetness, please. And so she took me back to a basement flat, which was down on Charlotte Street. Though it was never my intention, no, we were not intense, not least because if you must just take, I'm a piece of cake. That is what she said to me. And so I gave myself to her charity, and I did so liberally. Here comes my train. I'm on my way. What got into me? I don't need your sympathy. I won't read your poetry or honeybee. Well, I was looking for a rhyme for the New York Times when I was distracted. Yes, indeed, these were precious times together that we wasted. And now I'm working hard for my union card. Must be leaving Charlotte Street, though it was never my intention to stay so long. So long.